Hey everybody, guess what? It's March 1st, and that means it's time for another March 1st weather report here in Lansing, Michigan. Here we go. So obviously we're in a slightly different location from last year. It is about 33-34 degrees, and as you can see, snow's melting. Let's take a walk around the house. I'm going to walk through the deep snow. I mean, you'd probably freeze to death if you were out here for more than half an hour, but look at this. Most of the snow here is melted. It was much deeper yesterday, but a good chunk of it melted. And here is the side of my house. No snow on it. This is bad footing here. The road is all cleared off, as are most of the roads around this area here. The backyard snow is starting to melt. And there is the back of my house with no snow. Again, the roads are cleared off and it's a little windy, which makes it even colder. I'm gonna have to walk through this snow again. It's pretty thick snow though, it's not thin. There's the garage. Try to walk through only the spots where there's not a ton of snow, which is kind of difficult to do since there's ice under it. This area over here was muddy yesterday. I'm gonna walk here now though. The lone pine tree. And of course, the other side of my house, which again, there's not much to see. Grass here's a little muddy. I'm pretty cold. The driveway's cleared off and dry. It was actually sunny and up in like the 50s yesterday. It was really nice, but it cooled down because we had a cold front that came through last night. Take you out to the street. The cul-de-sac is all cleared off, except for this here. And there's the front of my house, with no snow on it, but in a pretty chilly day. So there you have it. March 1st Weather Report 2021 from Isaac24. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.